Howdy, the Fritz 423 here. The tractor seat on the old 5520 has seen better days. Jebediah was complaining about it last time we baled hay. Look how low he's sitting. And it's not supposed to be that way. After a while it starts hurting your back and your knees. So we took it off and took a look at it. It's in pretty sad shape. I mean, it's rusted through. Hell, it used to have little holders for a seatbelt on there. They fell off about 10 years ago. It's been sitting out in the rain, but anyhow, we got one of these Countyline seats from Tractor Supply. Well, it was cheap, but you get what you pay for. 3 months later, this thing was falling apart, and it was loose and floppy to begin with. I mean, it was obviously cheap Chinese crap. So we decided to go back and fix the old one. Before we took it apart, I cut patches out to repair all the rusted out sections. I drilled the holes where they were before. Don't look at those welds. Grinder and paint make me the welder I ain't. Oops. There's no reason to remove this plate up on top. In retrospect, I should have left it alone. The right tool for the job. There we go. That wasn't bad. Same setup. Bigger washer goes first. This knob is what adjusts the seat tension, and I screwed up here. I broke it off. I tried to untwist it. It doesn't. It's molded onto the screw. It doesn't need to come out to take it apart. Just leave it alone. It's just a dust cover. Alright, let's see how this was before. It was held up here, those two screws that I took out. Alright, let's see how close that is. That's horrible. Yep. Alright, so what I did was I welded a nut onto the end of that so that it turns free, and that ought to work. Come on. Ha. All right. I found something similar. I gotta go look at my video again. Make sure.
All
Well, I bought a new top and bottom cushion for it, and of course I had to pay for that damper, but a new seat costs like $750. We'll see. We'll see if it lasts another, 15 years. All right, Fritz 423 out.